What's up, guys? I just want to show you a really great example of how you can take advantage of this ORB report on ES in the last month. So in the last month, the data has been pretty different than what you would normally see. And what really stands out to me here is that the breakouts, which means that price only breaks to the top side of the ORB, is extremely low. Only once out of 20 days has price broken out only to the top side. So now let me show you what this looks like. Now we're looking at ES, obviously. So what a wonderful way to take advantage of this is to say, okay, we have to wait for the ORB to form, obviously. And then from here, once price breaks out to the top side, you now know that only 5% of days, only once out of all the 20 last days in the last month, have not come back down to become a double break day. So now what you know here, and what stands out to me, is that 11 out of 20 days have been a double break. And if I know that price breaks out to the top side first, and I know that the majority of the time I'm expecting a double break, this is a great place to start to look for your short entry here. Now, obviously you need to determine where your short entry is, but when price breaks out to the top side, you do not want to expect it to stay to that top side. So let me go to a 5-minute chart here. Let's look at a few other examples going a few days back where it breaks out to the top first. Here's another great example. Price breaks out to the ORB forms, price breaks out to the top side. You want to look for shorts here targeting the double break because the double break is most popular. Now, if price breaks out to the bottom side, this is not as valid. And the reason for that is that there have been a lot of breakdown days in the last month. Like here, for example, you don't want to expect a reversal to the top side. So in this case, it is more valid, or in the way that I would interpret this, is break out to the top side, get short expecting a double break, because not only are the breakouts the least probable, but the double breaks are the most probable. So that's kind of like a 2-for-1 here. Let's try to find another example. Here's another great example. Price breaks out to the top side. You can start to look to get short, targeting the bottom side. Here's another one that might have not worked as well, just because there was a pretty decent move to the upside before the reversal. But here's another great example. You don't want to expect price to continue or to stay or do anything like this in this market environment, at least in the last month and what's happening now. You want to expect price to reverse and be a double break day. So this is just a quick video for this current market environment, what's going on right now with ES. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us right over here on edgeful.com on the support bot right down here. That we actually have a support team that answers you. This is not an AI. So you can actually talk to someone. Hope this is helpful.